Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorosia chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomenya seka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka yibwate emixer yibwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Bwerere bya omwanchwa omurigarari chinse chiga inye chitariki chiga eye mogose tariki ya mohe mutinyo kane umwaka wa 2025 rituko ne lya chumanne na rituko liga bangero na April Fools Day onye kwangainirwa mange rituko lya lero kurende aiga na sesemo ye kionga chinsanya stogotebya obwene ase ituko linde lionsi mwancho murigereri inche nigongoro kwa runyo toto nyangiri kuranza memenyerio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli ne kionga chinsanya nigotoko cha korwa ase chinsamo chanya mira chingaki ebirengereri amone merobeli gante kwekwa yo kwene kyabona account chanya mira nkungusereramo anene mono ase bungerene yabere gotwa chitangutangu igoro yo kotwara chibunge ibire litukolare bunge eli emanjika muna bunge mashinani insio baraibwa eno kwokero nyanya kabage gutwara ebikaro asetwa yaitie amalieta atano ya baria baroberie gochiko ikaransa se kyombegerio korosia ekyombe kyobokoreri ime county yuo asebo igofanya kwa bakwereri bagerio lia bene ko mochia igatia barai abatere bagwa sonania sobokoreri bwe bunge ye county yuo buna gutumanya mulikito Paul Cap Okara
na sebikale biga byakorekana ase ebunge yega imanyekante buna bunga mashinani matuka makema ya bunge lya Senate gotuguterare ebikare biga bya bunga mashinani bikare biga byarawamo no mo speaker eno kwokero nigo binyara ko babigwetia a selection panel eyo era kunyara ko bage kulika omunyakirogo na boigo na bamemba bande abo balense yerombe ya Public Service Board.
Tathabia bananchi ba Nyamira oyo qualified apply egasi eyo.
Bikare bigabikirana munaba MC 15 na batatu. Igononye nabo byanyara ko bahabiko gikeria. Anene chiburaburu echo cyagendera ko bachikwene kigwa. Egati yaba MCA asebaganirie amasikani kwene kigwa.
Ntubona bunke yabere imara ekiare tubwato muspiko yomo ena kuokero.
Nonye nabo chinga gichinsa chinga cyategere busyo bw'abajumbe gochikunyara ko bagotwara ebikaro. Ebyo kurigia okoigwa nemeye county ya Nyamira. Aba MC abaganigo beso kirina kugendera kugikiria aya onsi. Asikire baterenga egati abajumba abano bagendera ko bagwokyo muliro. Oyo ogendera ko bagakoleto wetana okonene egati aba MCA.
Njiratiro mujumbe arahatebe nga intagete indeto Murembe Nyamira nandi gakobanero kuburwo Murembe.
Nonyina boherombe yeganigo yaganira abo MCA bande abo batari bwatanya munabunga mashinani gokorabo asibate benga bwangoga budget net kunyara ko bagegwetiwa nga onyembara toma kuganya kwabo alibaganete bakolerwa sechiwadi chabo naho baratukunyara ko bagotiwa isiko.
N'abajumbe balibake nane batigaritise kubataracha ase bunge mashinani kimora nche incho
nkaite no mbono karatuwaete TSFSP ntuatomete na onde mo MCA or elected tati guti isiko ari ke report chiae atome erinde bintu bya ibe kwase budget mbatometi ne sherige goteba buna our standing orders only atadi banjeire weti na atadi na bagwetie gendo na ndise kwa mu speaker reply ndio nyonde ta kore isiani question bado e budget ina begweta
nigo boigo erombe yega ya MC abega bagende ko bakugikiria museneta bwe county Nyamira Muske Okongo Mogeni asibamuganire gutwara masikani na gukora emirimo yaye bwikiranu.
There is no single day anyago cha assembly nekergo kya engeroro but wanzere siasa eriyo kunyagota mwasa matangare okwane roro because ngantu abande we've never engaged do museneta gusekende nere toko musabanere atwara masikani go cyase ebyongozi binde
omweli oye egati abo bali barabasubati nigo baganirie osikwa kurwase gati abaraya ubako bacecheria
omuchumbo rito amaitengana ele lawyer lakini ukora mabangina it's painful kora momongina ekeraye igoreta senyomba yo mongina ayoro obwato mokao oyogere toro oyokoibereta abana nero ogere tore bunore igo kwaimoka watebanga these are nominated are anchored in the constitution igota itoske abaske bari bachorire goja
egiko ripoti rigatasini kya obwanjete kya Gatembe kuriga imire county Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
Monjo mulgereri chinga kiechecho nigo senate litukolia lero era chinga kigo kwanira igoro yari agendete ime ye county Nyamira anemono ase okobarro wejipunge ibere okobarro kwa baspeaker babere okobarro kwa bariki babere ebe county yuo nabo igo ase chibunge chonsi abere chigo ikaranza asinzemo ao egati ya basenata nibo mochiyo mugavana we county yuo omoske muminyeribo asogoteba buna na taraorkia oburayobuya ime ye county yuo nigo bagandi bitambukiro ao komukigwa elinde gotinania botutukanu bogenda kwane kwa ime county ya Nyamira nabo igo obotutukanu bombonyara kwa kwane kwa ase county ndonzi ime county emeronge ne na isana ibere ime nsi ya Kenya.
Madam Speaker, the County Assembly of Nyamira is split into two rival groups, each conducting parallel sittings in different venues, one at the main County Assembly building and one in other several towns within the county, led by separate individuals, each claiming to be a legitimate speaker and clerk of the County Assembly. Madam Speaker, this state of affairs has caused confusion, has undermined the legislative integrity of the County Assembly, and will potentially jeopardize public confidence in the institution, in devolution, and in the oversight role of the Senate. Madam Speaker, in the statement, I would wish the committee to inquire and address the following. Number one, to to inquire into the officially designated and gazetted location of the County Assembly of Nyamira and whether sittings that have been held outside that location were duly approved by the County Assembly and table evidence to that effect. 2, inquire into the status and legal standing of any business transacted by the 2 rival functions, including the adoption and passage of the supplementary budget and other legislative decisions that have been made during this standoff. 3, the committee to inquire the process through which the 2 speakers and clerks were appointed and whether due process and relevant standing orders were followed before their installation. 4, the committee to inquire the steps taken by the relevant constitutional and intergovernmental bodies to resolve the leadership dispute with a view of restoring order in the County Assembly.
That if there has been any serious threat to devolution, that threat is in Nyamira County. Madam Speaker, I listened in great disbelief the governor admitting on record that there are actually 2 county assemblies in Nyamira. There are 2 speakers. There are 2 clerks. Madam Speaker, to make it even worse, there are 2 quote-unquote official seals.
Madam Speaker, and I'm disappointed that the devolution committee should have taken this matter. You cannot have 2 speakers, 2 messes, 2 seals, 2 clerks, Madam Speaker. But I want to think, because I've been following Nyamira politics, is that the governor is a very sharp politician. Because after the failed impeachment, he decided to create chaos in the County Assembly.
But, Madam Speaker, I was saying something very serious, that this drunkenness of power, as I feared in 2014 in my draft bill, has become so infectious that today they call their wives First Lady. Madam Speaker, they even have first daughters, and they have first sons, and they have first mothers.
Na omo jumbe bwe bunge ya West Mugirango omuske wakil Steve Mugaka aritukulia lero niganyara kaba gakwene kebana igaraji kwena na chipasa lichi saine chiringi chimili ange emerongo ene na isano kuja barokiwa ao na skuru ao imeye bunge ya igo omuske wakil Steve kirante ase eskuru ya umre yake brigo asabo igo anyarete koba gakubolia okubwatira na ase ogosira chisemi chingagie chiechio mwalimu monne bwe skuru Nyangacha niganya kwa kwa nekebna nigo mero billions yebekera bwikirano kwa nekebna aborko beskuru ejo anamona bali bekira siye 12 ngo chibale okara matemu abo bya yo mwakoyo
Eskuru y'abamuraya kebirigo abo ase amatemwa y'umwaka oheta barigetie emin ya isano isato nechinukuta isano isato nemo ase klasi ekeiga barigetie aborokiwa chimya inye na merongo ebere na batatu ase eklasi ekeiga nigo aborokiwa baneboka nabo batanyorete ribagario gosoa ase university nigo batwarire umuyiga woko bwatoka ebyewa wachasa aborokiwa abo bakoretie buya korengana no mwarimu monene weskuru eyiga ya kebirigo Clement Nyangacha nigo airire chingakecho na gukwanira enjira aberega kubeka emiruberio eyo yaberege koreta amachibu amaya abwaso mwako oyo atebire igo babwate kirenga gyokurikia emin ya kianda chinukuta isato isano.
377 candidates and the class is christened the Eager Beavers with the slogan Operation Perfect A OPA. The Bible verse is from the book of Isaiah 40:31. This is the class we shall come to celebrate in the year 2026, God willing. Glory to God. there is power in confession, conviction, and action.
Esemo yende boigonigo omobunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mogaka asioririe chibesa chechipasari chisaine chimilioni 44 chinuguta kianda ejo chihuja kubakonya abana abwo bagosoma ase secondary naboigo college ao.
They have been distributed like this: 24,900,000 zinaenda kwa high school zetu including KB. Kwa wale wanafunzi wangu wanaenda colleges tertiary watagonga shilingi milioni 20. Applications 8,000 ni za secondary school, alafu ile ya tertiary ya university na colleges tulikuwa na applications 4,000 ambao zilifaulu.
Ase omoyega oyoiga nigo omobunge obonjari omuske Dr. Charles Onjoke akwaneire obuya bwa CDF anene asogosira kisemi.
CDF has enabled us to educate you. CDF has enabled us to put out infrastructure that you're seeing here. So we can't afford to do without it. CDF. How will the world be, how will Kenya be without CDF? Please join us, all of us, join your members of parliament to push forward the case that we need CDF. If anything, it should be enhanced, it should be increased. We need more of CDF so that we can provide the required infrastructure, so that we can increase the bursary amount to our students, because the poverty levels in our home states is just worrying.
Chingaki ejecho abarimu abanene basabirwe bona bakonyora chicheki echiga nerebuya barikira aborokiwa amarisiti.
Nataka kuwasihi walimu wangu, mukipokea hizi checks za watoto wangu, please issue receipts for every individual child. Mulete kwa ofisi yangu nipeleke hiyo receipt kwa boma ya hao watoto during this holiday. Nitakuja nikuletee hiyo receipt so that you confirm that your money has gone to school.
Hingo reporter Getembe korwase skuru eyiga ya Kibirigo eye gotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefatigad Gisemba.
Nabo igo mwancho murigali ababwatani ao bechisemi bakoragwa na Justus Kemei oyoro mu director bechisemi ase sub county ya Marani igobara moyiga boko ebye guchesa boroki wa bali bakorete buya amatemo manene omwaka oheta ase eskuru ya St Monica Marani iyo gotoka ime county ya Kisii anamono chinsemo chia kitudu chache north mnagotumanyia omolikeito Daniel Ontiri.
Nase skuru ya secondary ya Baiseke ya St Monica yegotoka ase ward ya Marani ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache North miye county ya Kisii iyo yara lituko lya masomo weyokoena ebyegwa asaborkiwa abalia bakorete buya asa matemwabo yekirasi yikomine kabiri KCSE ayo mwako eta mwego yigane gwekirenwa na bwatani au egati abo omo MCA we ward ya Marani Omusikedi Sombachi mubisa bwechisemi ase sub county ya Marani Justus Kemei mu executive secretary ase kiombe kya balimu ya Kupet Omusike Joseph Abinja Musike Ronald Siro yuligetikirgo kyobo MCA ase ward ya Sensi gati yo bwatani banda bange namana bechisemi awasobwamo baikaso gosigeta aborokiwa baiga boiga sogokoromukia
ero litugolia lero twali ko bakera buya naso ko bakera buya na ko baebigeni ko bawo chikoenda amasoma mutwe ose university igere njerende yoko aba bande omoyo bali bawo chigokora amatemu twakira Nyasaye mbia mono asogotogenderia oku koigo twali gosaba Nyasaye amona ababwatani bande batubwatisi egera tosuke kujinaende bosio ake
ukwana chinga kecho Musike Ombachi nigagendera ko gokirige tambokero ge skuru iga gokoria buya hasa matemwa yo mwako eta omentabona haigo nsingo etra haso kubwaterana na bubwatani au egati abo habaraye bense meiga aborokiwa na baibuli bunencheremo yoko eneke machibwa maya.
I got a chance to talk to the MP nikamwambia kwamba the CS wa education anatoka hapa kwetu. Julius Migosi Ogamba, tulikuwa na yeye juzi hapo Nyabururu na tumemuomba kwamba tunataka atusaidie.
Asinse mwende nigagikere bikore byokonigwa kwa maru mbarabare ni chiskuru ase wodi ya Marani nayo abanyene mbobonete ko bwatuka bonchiryo bwo limolioka
igo abayiboli ntotagete toikaranse toigwanane lakini abagambi baito egende kanene na iwete kerekebe na ende tobwena tokigikeri ntwakwana abagambi baito abantu bachakire kwenga marwa angene jiskuru cheito abande mbale bakoenia marwa around our schools babwate mobile motorbikes bataete koneria abana baito abana abatiamba tebiga pombe itakuwa tu nyinyi maliza shule. Hata wakati tulikuwa shule pombe ilifanya nini? Ilikuwa ebintu mbire bitali gokoraki bitali koera. So for now the occasion you have, the choice you have is to study.
Asense moyae kemi nigasigeta aborokigwa ase sub county ya Marani na muno habe skuru iga endra gotoka ase birasi chinga kichonsi unencheremo yoko enekia machibwa maya ni chinga kicho aborokigwa bagendera koyegwe segeto gokoromokia unencheremo yoko eroberia ase matukare bosio.
If the student is not in school, where is that student? If the student is at home with the parents, then the parents are not helping us. And you're also failing in your duty as a parent. If a child comes home, it is your duty to return that child to school and pay for them, support the school.
Allow me to also congratulate our teachers. I know you worked more than expected. You took your time. You are dealing with these learners. Whatever that you impacted, this is the harvest you've got. We keep on congratulating you and thank you so much for the wonderful work you are doing, because without you, will not post such a result.
Right now, you might not even know it, but it will do what? It will happen. What do you need to do? You work hard. You work hard. Don't worry, musiseme kwamba hakuna kazi wapi? Kenya. Kwa vile ujui mahali utaenda kufanya kazi. Mimi sifanyi kazi Kenya. Kwa hivyo, unaweza kubarikiwa ufanye kazi wapi? Ng'ambo. Ikiwa umesoma vizuri.
Kurubuterege teseni kia gatembe kurega se bunge ya Kitutu Chache North ase kaunti ya Kisii. Litere nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Na mwanjo muligerali nigo birengali biganda kurwegwa anene mono ko bwatekana amo neganga yo muna chebina omonene omokoro Justice David Kenani Maraga na boigo omoske Dr. Freddy Matiang'i uyolengo mwasiri omokoro insi ya serikali ya omoske Uhuru Kenyatta kugania koboria ekerogo kyoburayi bwense omwaka gw'ekirubere na 2025 ye negati ya birengali byaba benyi be chinse mocha keroka unabyaliganirwa no mulikito Gabriel Nyakonde.
Nigo ebirengerero ao bigendrete kuregwa iguru yengwana yoyo kabere omonachebina omonene bwense ya Kenya muske David Kenani Maraga iguru yokugania kuligia ekerogo kyoburayi bwense ya Kenya ase abangyane na mono kurwa sensemeyega yanyari bari masaba nigo borokire gotagukirwa kwabo ase bamuganiriye David Maraga gochikumubwate sia Fred Matiang'i ase ekeminano ekyo
nigo tugwanjite mono gwakortiga ciagingia nigo tugusabuske magega eka twatakire biranga bitu tuteto mwako kuru Fred Matiang'i okego ande neribage chance twanyore n'abaguzi basokyo umuntu ndo bamwenga kiyanya mwana sagini bajete kurwanira omweri tugasoki tutanya kanywa tuko bakabona nigo tugusaba mwaka Maraga ingaki yawo gwakortiga ci twagusigete nandi wakwa biranga bitu bakubikora nigo tugusaba tutigire ibageri twanjire Fred Matiang'i tutagitese ngaki
abeire moroche ntukwane tintu bwate birengerere byokuryo bugambyo banone bwense omosike Matiang'i Okengo Matiang'i uyo kuriye kirugo kyobo president asensi yitu ya Kenya uyu no umwana uitugusi yaoro kiribuna ande chensi ebisaku byonsi ase byeika bya Kenya yamuitabire county chita 47 yamuitabire county teyora agende onyoro uyu minto musike Matiang'i atari gukwana
Samareta nengo video nikigara kurubaji matoro boda stage to mwam kentanale koira nganje kaita katai marada antigere Matiang'i gasi oni gase gire bichara ngo to chenga ngo chane gato kyo mwako yoito to kore ndi toranga twaso kyo mogusi ne president candidate yetu abagusi twese mangana maraga yakoro kumusana no kubeza utobamo twakere Matiang'i sikura so bamo
n'abantu abangaini n'abakenya bangainire etokumugareria maya na nyasamu kunenkoro aira ne magega abwate sio yo minto Matiang'i egere ense yitesuke mutu Matiang'i nero ratokonye na abwato mugano muya engaki akorega ya serikali akoraga cha gukora interior na akorega sirengia tware kumubwate sinabare goko
asibe igobaganire abananchi anene mono kurasa rogongora gose kwene kyangu bwata bale bibande eliogo chikonyora amba bwate chikura chinge eliogo chiagochora umurai baganetie
nyore bibanda chensi imoko ba chensi busa omunu busa itangani go ikamogende mubwate bibande mubwate chikurekerenga kiegoika obonga so bonge na intu buna abagusia sitoika tubwate chikure kiagera omwana oyororokanire buna netaya ase gusiengi bana Kenya teto kebisa kubinde igo biko mubwate si intugusiga igo toendete kungusa gukimagera iyite koreta piki changia asumugusi
Kingo reporter geta sendi wanchete kyana gikomike getembe kroa sebunge nyari bari masabe county ya Kise njenkoro kwa Nyakonde Gabriel
Goikarabu moncho mulgire tokana samelia kabre studio tonyore obo semi bwa tembe no mugaga ocho nyambasra tokera tamakwana ne kyonga chinsenye
Pagaka ninjo ninjo tembe ninjo dorome manana man pagina ninjo
basina kimogo teba basimbia mole oitangaro karombi nyombangale kumumura mutamba kaboro kumboro sidata baitangale mondigerete oitangaro karombi nyombangale tali nyombane ne nyombangale oitamaro karo oitangale obasi oitangale nyombe chito chirisa to basi masige oketauli na roma nene watu kuno oitangale abantu bae watu kulene na masige bono yo oitangale ne haro watu tato oitangaro karombi nyombangale kamumura mutamba kaboro kumboro sidata ndane okichonjo ikoro obasi na bamanyete igo babasi na bwinyo babasi kabisa ponia muringo babasi ba mitono bagwe togigo uitangaro karumbi yombangale kamumura mutamba kaburo kumborozi amu uitagara wateba
Pagaka ninjo ninjo tembe ninjo dorome manana man pagina ninjo
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu bilia bikomenya seka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriye chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani wochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange ne duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera search number chabo 0111161500. Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Download Odibets app na unaweza kujishindia hadi 50,000 bob kila siku.
Mwanzo muligere
life.
Mwanzo muligere to sabo kwabira asinga jogo to mana kweli ogine chibi chako ne togenderete umujumbe webunge ya Kitoto Masaba umusikikiri vumbane gisairo litukulia lero niganya kabaga kamochia omuteneri bwekiganja gusomo waziri bwechibesa umusikikiri ni Mbadi Duare kujoni Imbadi Ng'ong'o ase ogotabwa toka chibesa gochia ase ekiganja kya NCDF kubwatekana mono kuigwana kwanyete ko wetigwa ime yege karuke ndo yakole kachinse mocha Naivasha ase omosike Mbadi atayotabana nigaruko kubwatoka shilingi bilioni 7 mutienye goikanya kabakorire akubwatoka chibesa kya sekiganje kyo omosike kisairo nigaruko yakwana yuo ase bunge litukolia lero.
The reality is we are now in the last quarter of this financial year. While in Naivasha, I remember very well, the CS had promised that he was going to send 7 billion twice in the month of February and then 7 billion on a monthly basis up to the end of the financial year. Honorable Speaker, as we speak up to today, the board has only received 7 billion last year and the second disbursement of 7 billion in the month of February, where he had promised to send double the amount. Honorable Speaker, the members here who representing their CDFCs are not even able to give bursary, yet we are done with term 1. University students, Honorable Speaker, are supposed to collect their exam cards subject to them paying fees, and some of these students rely on bursary from CDF. We are being taken in circles, Honorable Speaker. The financial is coming to an end. I have seen some constituencies, CDFCs, even purporting to take photos that they are launching bursaries just to save themselves from the angry students. But in reality, there is no money going to the universities. There is no money going to the schools. Honorable Speaker, this statement by the CS was made in your presence while you chaired that meeting, and we are not going to allow this house to be taken in wild goose chase in the presence of our chair in that meeting and with our speaker. Honorable Speaker, can you guide this house? What is the way forward in the matter of disbursing the CDF amounts that are balanced? Out of the 54 billion, they've only remitted 14 billion, and we only have 3 months to go. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Na chinga ki chiskuru chiganda tagosie kwa nigo abaibuli baganiwe gochia kwa bamaiso chinga ki chio elio koyana ki abana babo ko bale ase chinjera chingia na bo igongwerenda bale kakwana oyo kabere omokansura okiamo kama musike Charles Mbongi nigagania abaibuli komanya asabana bale chinga kichonse munago tumanye muri keto Gabriel Nyakunde.
chinga kechi skuru chigenderete gosekwa ase etamu entangani nigo abayibuli baganiwe ko bamaiso ase abana babo nakomanya ase bagotara kaukwana oyo kabera mukansara kurwa sesemo yake mukamo muske Charles Mbongi nigo aganiri abayibuli komanya ase abana babo bagotara chinga ki echibale ase omutimoko omoke
Marieta former councillor Charles Mbongi kwa mukamai bacu inare kuira chinga kechi kubatebia abayibuli baito asando spia semwaika abana baito babungire chisukuru wairanire nka aseruseye yomutinyukane nare kuira chinga kechi kusaba abayibuli baito na abana baito munyare koba mokoba namasikani mutuware chimbukire chingiya mo baisa kuiranga ki abana bono mwabungire skuru muri kuirana amatuko muri isikana amake mutuware chingencho chingiya mutuware chimbukire chingiya muigwera abayibuli baino mokore mubabwati sigasi asumukio monene
asibe government anakugania abayibuli kwenekia buna abana babongo manya bale asibare nene muno kwenekia basaye mbali gutumika maliogo yogotindia
nare kubasaba omwana kabenere manyonyusuka manyanga y'omwana yagenda naende chinsaire nkairana egere ntoruriba gamono asa abana baito bachigwesoya chimbu chimbe bachigwesoya samaryogo yogotindia nainde iskuru gego chikoiguru nainde tonyora abana batwarira obokongu bana mbari kwirana skuru wetere nchire yemo guseyende nare kubasaba mobe maiso abayibuli baita asimwaike kina bongo keirorera mobe maiso sana asa abana baito engakibuneye barerusa
boigo ase aganire abayibuli kwene kiangu gachabale bitoki ebyo barachigwakanira abana babo chinga kibarairane ase chiskuru
tumi yabeire nkong nonyine fisi gutoka igeregas abayibuli nare kubasaba moende mugondo mokoregas n'umukia nakeriege kege gutoka moke gachebuya egere ekere skuru ego chikoigorwa etoke fisi nero abana baguchikoiranire skuru amaitachi na amange morocha abana ekero bakwirane skuru nare kubasaba amaitachi na amanga akoba abana mbataite bitabu abana mbataite uniform efine takeire nare kubasaba abayibuli mwetigane mwerine egere tosomia abana baito kento nkeri turatigira abana baito bono omwana tugochigutigira abana baito nechisemi tari gento kende ntubwati emigondo yatoereire gusiga moroche nonye Kenya ngima migondo teyo egento to
Kingo reporter gete sendi wanjite kyande gikomike getembe korwa sebunge nyari bari Masabai county ya Kisii nchengoro kwa Nyakonde Gabriela
Monjo muligara ligo kirabo notokorera kionga chinsa inye lituko lia rero akorino gonyere tulituko lia netarike yemo omutienyi okana mwaka gwechirubere na 2025 chinga kia bange bakoriro kana lituko ligane lyo kungaina na gokorana abariri tima yethigo sea yenchiranire yemo gosebire gwakorirwo omoriri njerero tinda umira unde na tinda goseronde na litiira rero I'm not fooling anybody jeni ngoro kuharo ni ototo nyangiri kurunsemo yemanyirio nigakuru Wilson Makoli nawe kurunsemo ya transmission nigakuru kwa Kevin Ongeri.
Download Odibets app na unaweza kujishindia hadi 50,000 bob kila siku.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiririe amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.